Thermodynamics question from 2015. A fixed mass of an ideal gas undergoes a cyclic process as shown in PV diagram. Right? They have given us a PV diagram. If the temperatures of the points A, B, C, D, and E are TA, TB, TC, TD, and TE respectively, then we are supposed to find out the relationship between those temperatures. Okay, right. So we discussed the temperature of an ideal gas at a particular state in a during a process can be compared this way, right? We know PV is equal to nRT. Okay, they have told that a fixed mass of an ideal gas, that means number of moles can be taken as constant. Number of moles is constant. Therefore, these two are constants. N and R, we can consider them to be constants. R is anyway a constant. Therefore, the multiplication of PV is directly proportional to temperature. This is the concept we are going to use to find out, compare the temperatures, right? So if you take point A, at point A, what is the PV multiplication? We can say PAVA, that is equal to how much? PAVA is equal to P naught V naught at point A, because it's P naught V naught. And then at point B, PBVB, that is equal to PB, where is it? 4P naught V naught. 4P naught V naught. No problem with that. And then at point C, if you take point C, temperature, the multiplication, that is PCVC, that will be the pressure at that point is given as 4P naught, and the volume at that point is 2V naught. Volume at that point is 2V naught. Therefore, 2V naught, and overall it is 8P naught V naught. 8P naught V naught. Right. Then at point C, at point E next, we have point D. Beg your pardon, point D. What about point D then, people? Point D is here. There you can see P, if you consider PD, VD, that is 2P naught into 4V naught. 2P naught into 4V naught, and that is again 8P naught V naught. And finally, at point E, what about the temperature? That is P naught in, that is PEVE, and it's going to be P naught into 4V naught. Finally, it's going to be 4P naught V naught. Okay, so these are the multiplications. Now you don't have to write like this when you do an MCQ. I'm just writing for the sake of explanation. You can quickly do it with your mind. Near this you will put 1 into 1 1. Near this you will put 4. Near this you will put 8. Near this you will put 8. Near this you will put 4. Something like that. And when you compare the P naught V naught values, or the multiplication of PV values, you can see C and D have equal value and the highest value. Therefore, temperature of C and D should be equal and they should be the highest. And after that, you can see temperatures at B and E, they are equal. Temperatures at B and E, they are equal because the multiplication of pressure and volume, that's equal for points B and E, right? So it should be, and that's the next one. After 8P naught V naught, it's 4P naught V naught. So it should be TB equal to TE. And finally, you can see for A, we have the lowest multiplication of PV value. So TA should be the smallest temperature. So I think the correct answer in that sense, it should be the third one. Should be the third one. So if they give you different points in a PV diagram, and if they ask you to compare the temperature, always consider the pressure into volume multiplication.